Today I'm going to begin a course in figure sculpture. I'm going to go into how to make the armature, how to figure out all the different sizes of all the different components of the sculpture. I'm going to explain a little bit about proportional systems. Once we get involved in the sculpting itself, I'm going to talk about issues like rhythm and pose and movement.
A sculptor of international acclaim, David Simon's career has ranged from life-size portraits and figures to massive bronze statues, and holds private workshops abroad and in his Los Angeles studio.
So I'm going to get involved in all of that over the next few sessions as we work on this figure in oil-based clay. So let's get started.